I've been using Spaceduck and Notion. These are two awesome productivity tools, and today I'm here to break them down and tell you what each one offers, then see which one's best for what. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have Spaceduck. It's a sleek, all-in-one workspace designed for simplicity and speed. Think note-taking, task management, and team collaboration in a distraction-free interface. It shines with a real-time syncing, minimalist design, and AI-powered search to find your stuff fast. It's perfect for freelancers or small teams who want to stay focused without overwhelming features. Next up, we have Notion. This is the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps. It combines notes, databases, wikis, calendars, and project management into one customizable platform. You can build anything from a personal to-do list to a company wiki. Notion's strength is flexibility, but it can feel complex for beginners. It's great for creators, teams, and anybody who loves to tailor their workflow. Now let's compare. Here's how they stack up. Spaceduck keeps things simple with a clean interface and lowering learning curve, making it ideal for quick setups and solo users. Notion, though, offers unmatched customization, perfect for complex projects or teams juggling multiple tasks. Price-wise, Spaceduck's flat rate is budget-friendly, while Notion's free tier is great for testing. So which is better? Choose Spaceduck if you want fast, focused productivity with minimal fuss, great for freelancers or small crews, and go with Notion if you need a flexible, all-purpose tool for big projects or creative workflows. Both are awesome, it just depends on your vibe. That's it guys, try them out and let us know your pick in the comments. See you next time.